Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how to change sound quality in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select sound quality and effects, and here you can turn on Dolby Atmos experience breakthrough audio for media playback that flows above and around you. Okay, and you can also turn on Dolby Atmos for gaming. Okay, get realistic Dolby Atmos and automatically when you play games. Okay, also you can check in equalizer. Go to equalizer, and here you can choose from the available options. This is normal one and pop, classic, jazz, rock, custom. In custom you can adjust level here. Okay, so in this way you can easily do some custom sound quality in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.